Quick takeoff, one right, KLM 636 Heavy.
Vegas Tower, good evening. Well, good afternoon, Virgin 156 Tango Heavy, spot 4 with Charlie. We've got the clearance from approach, request taxi.
Virgin 156 Tango Heavy, Vegas Tower, runway 1 right, taxi via Bravo Delta, cross runway 26 right on Delta.
1 right, taxi via Bravo Delta, cross 26 right at Delta, Virgin 156 Tango Heavy.
Vegas Tower, Delta 5729 is on a 10-mile final for 26 left.
Delta 5729 Vegas Tower, wind 30021, gust straight tree, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Delta 5720 is clear to land with some fun winds.
Yep. KLM 636, heavy contact departure, have a good flight.
Over to departure, KLM 636, thanks, have a good one.
Yep.